I am Adam. No, forget that. That's terrible. I'm here, and if you remember from last episode, pretty sure I broke my angle grinder. So, today, we're going to be tearing that apart. So, my uncle told me that it's probably clogged up on the inside, and it's getting it all stuck in it and everything. So, like I said, I'm just going to open it up and clean it out. Start with the screw here. This is like one of the first screws I saw, so you know, can't go wrong with it. Yeah. Yes, I'm doing this by hand. I'm not a prick. Alright. Oh. So, apparently if you leave a magnetic tip screwdriver on a magnet for too long, it's no longer magnetic. Oh, the stupid mistakes I make. Alright, looks like a lot more screws up top. You know, I want to get this cover off right now. That's what I want to do. So let's take care of that. Oh, that screwdriver's too small. Only ever had that happen once before. This is a flathead. This is a flathead. Maybe I should watch what I grab. Alright, just gonna loosen this up to the point where I can just slide it right over the top. No? Not coming off? Okay. Let's keep unscrewing. What? Come on. There we go. Wasn't so difficult. It's actually made out of metal. All this time I thought it was plastic. Huh. Who knew? Not me. Alright, oh well, a lot more screws here, and, well, a little bit of steel dust. Where'd my paper towels go? Where? I left them inside. I'll be right back. Again. I have my paper towels. Now let's start cleaning some of the steel dust off. Right after I take a sip of water. Good stuff. Speaking of water, I might actually need some in order to be able to clean this steel dust off. Just a little, not too much. That was too much, whatever. It works. That's the important part. Now, just go ahead and... Holy crap! It's like a solid black. I need to clean this thing more often. Oh, that's where it's getting in. See right underneath here? There's an opening in there. And that is linked directly to the inside of the rest of it. Steel must be going in there and just clogging the whole thing up so easily. Oh. Wow. Oh my god, I need to clean this more. Holy crap. No, that didn't work. Oh my god. There's so much buildup down there, and I can't even blow it out, but it looks like it would be so easy to blow out. Ugh. This was with the dry part. Look at that. It's like solid black. Oh my god. I really hope I'm being loud enough too. Because, you know, second video. Not sure what's loud enough and what's not. So that paper towel is nowhere near done with. But I want one I can put down in there more. So, take this pair of pliers. Pliers? Tweezers. And ball it up pretty small. And let's just try to get this down in as far as I can. It's way too thick. What am I? Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, that's way too thick. Hold on. Let's be smart about this. Don't judge me. This is thick stuff. Okay. Thick stuff. Okay. Yeah. got a couple of steel plates sitting here that I cut out before this happened. So they're here just so that I don't lose anything. I can clean up a lot easier. Oh my god. Holy crap. Here, so I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna try to like use my tweezer. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm like pinching the stuff out. Holy crap. That's a solid piece right there. Hold on, I need a different set of tweezers for this. Those ones are too thick. Now, I'm just gonna take this and scrape it. Yeah, that works. Watch this. I don't know if you can see it, but oh no, is the stick in the way? Hold on, let me take the stick off. I don't know why they do that. Sure. Is that called a stick? It's not called a stick. Grip? I don't know. It's coming off. And dropping. If you look closely, I could probably bring the camera closer with my hands, but if you look closely, can you see that stuff fall? I don't know. I'm trying to do it and watch the camera at the same time. It doesn't work too well. Oh my god, it's a lot of crap. Look at that. See that down there? Oh my god. It's all over the outside of this thing. Maybe before I did any steel cutting in the first place, I should have learned how to clean. Holy crap. It's like a mush almost. Like dirt or soil. But I know it's steel. Because I've seen buildups of it on this thing before. It's just I didn't do anything about them because they weren't important, you know? But cleaning your tools is always important. Look at that. Look at all of that. It's just from that little area. And we've only just begun. So, I guess I should probably wipe all that stuff up. Let's just... And, the edges of these pieces that I have here, down here for me to work on the saw table, they are very sharp. I would have dulled them down, but my grinder's kind of, yeah. So let's just do this real quick. It's always a very good idea to keep your workspace clean, always. Not that I do that often. Just got a trash can right there, so don't give me hate for thinking you're throwing. You're thinking I'm like throwing this stuff in the street or something. Alright, so I got my workspace cleared off a little bit. Took off the little rings that, you know, you like twist on. I don't know what they're called. I don't know what anything's called. I forget everything. Okay, so yeah, let's continue unscrewing this. Guess we'll start up here, where it looks like all the crap's getting it. Oh my god. I just stripped this thing so badly. Or no, stripped this. No, I stripped the screw badly. Holy crap. Use the big one. No, the big one's not working either. Hold on. Come on. Oh, that's a tough screw. But I mean, kind of has to be in order to keep this thing in one piece while trying to, I don't know, cut with it, grind with it. It is a grinder. Hope the screw is the same size as the other one. No, it's not. So I'm gonna have to keep my screws in different piles if I want to reassemble this correctly. So yeah, that'll work. I hope. Most things that I've taken apart and reassembled, well, they haven't seen the working light of day since. I really hope this isn't the same. Yep, just let me get these screws out. 4 of them here. Got one here, and then I got one here and one here. Thinking about taking apart these 4 that were right underneath of the of where the blades go. Cutting edge, and sanding edges go. But that really wouldn't be that useful because that only gets into like the motor and stuff. So I'm taking apart this whole top off. I'm taking this whole top off. I was just looking at this hole right here, and I was like, whoa, I don't remember taking a screw that big. I remember. Yeah, I do. So there's that one, and please just come off. Heck yeah! Wasn't expecting something like that. Alright. Don't know enough about this kind of stuff. Really wish I knew more. Ooh, that's dirty. That's all I need to know. So that's dirty. Paper towel here. Don't judge me. It's stupid, but it works. It ain't stupid. A couple of birds fighting in a tree. Interesting. Alright, it's pretty clean down there. Now what about up here? Oh, wait a second. Let's spin this. This spins. Nice. Alright. That's actually pretty cool. I still don't even know what this part is. Like, what is this? This can't be the motor. Is this the motor? I don't know. It's got like wires all wrapped around it on this end and on this end. Like, that's so weird. I don't do enough with machinery and electronics. Right, what's down in here? Let's see if I can get a nifty little flashlight, because that is what they are used for. Down in here, pretty much what you'd expect it to look like, just the base. Doesn't look too dirty, actually, so I'm gonna have to look around in that a little bit. I saw some screws. I'm not sure if those will be useful or not to take apart. Probably not. I don't know. Let's see, where's the... Okay, so that's down there. So, right in here, you can't really see that. I don't know why I put a flashlight on it, but right in there is where I want to go to try to clean something out. I've already taken off the screw for that area. I just got to figure out how to get to it now. Keep your workspace clean. No, not just gonna pop apart. Oh, okay. One good thing a flathead is useful for. Come on. I know you can separate. There you are. Did I kill anything? Oh, good, I didn't. Alright. So it looks like this piece would have just come off pretty easily, but we're men. We do things the hard way, because we're stubborn. Okay. I don't know, I mean, it doesn't look too bad. The fans look like they're doing their job. Which is always a good thing. Always. It really doesn't look too dirty in here. I don't know. Oh, that was dirt. Glad I rubbed that off. So I'll just kind of take it and like wipe it like this. Probably won't damage much, if anything. It's a piece of hair. How'd that get in there? There's a piece of hair in there. It looked like dog fur or something. Okay. Like this, oh. Dusty. Oh, flashlight. Oh, wait. Oh, that's actually, I can see straight through that. So I put it like that. Yeah, see that light? That's my flashlight. Y'all knew that. Of course y'all knew that. Y'all smarter than me. Y'all know that. What am I supposed to do? Now what if... Now it's not plugged in, by the way. That'd be extremely stupid. It is. Yeah, okay, it's not plugged in. That would be extremely stupid of me. I'm gonna try to... What does that do? So when I push this up, it moves this little plastic piece here, which in turn, if I can get this up in front of the camera, which in turn presses this little black button down here. It's kind of lighter because I'm shining the light on it, right in there. See, when I pull that up, it presses that. Let's see if I can pull it up. Yep. So that means that this is actually like very simply controlled with a button, of course. Let's see, what is this? Kind of close to the camera. I don't know what I'm supposed to be looking for in this. I'll have to get somebody who does, but really don't feel like it. Besides, I know I can do this myself. I think. Some hair. What the heck? Yeah, don't get distracted at him. I did. Take a sip of water. It's always important. It's extremely important to stay hydrated, especially when working with a bunch of steel dust in the air. And you will hear me say that many times. Just expect it. So, maybe what I have to do, I have to actually go and clean out these little holes here. I don't know what that would really do. They don't look dirty. It's where the fan blasts through. Use the sunlight. Yeah, they really aren't that dirty. I don't know what to do there. Yeah, this thing doesn't look that bad. That was my chin. Yeah, got a double chin. Yeah, I was probably laughing at that the whole time I was looking down and I didn't even realize. Thanks. Piece of crap. Anyway. I guess let's try to throw this thing back together and see if it wants to work. Yeah? Okay. Oh, might help if I put this back. I broke that. Whatever. See, right on the end here, chipped it off, and that piece is still in here. Whatever. I don't mind too much. Dad might, but oh well. Slide this back. Let's see. This is probably one of the harder parts, but sometimes it's easier. Is putting everything back together. It is always nice to put something back together and have it turn on and function the right way, even if it's not electronic. I mean, to have it function the right way, that's always a great thing. Which way? This way? I think it goes this way. I hope it agrees. Doesn't look like it agrees. Hold on. Does it go this way? Okay, what's your problem? Just gotta like work it slowly. Ah, there we go. Anyway, come on. Spin it. There we go. It's a lot like lock picking. Just gotta. It's got nothing to do with lock picking. I mean, it might. Maybe if you're a beginner, you just like randomly wiggle something around in it. I don't know. I am an extreme beginner at lock picking. Like, I have never successfully picked a lock. Yeah. Oh well. I admit it. No guilt. Yeah. Pretty long video, I guess. What is it, 19 minutes? Maybe less, maybe more. I said it was like exactly 19 when I said that. In the top right of my phone. Yes, I'm still recording with my phone, but not with a clamp this time. This time, it's sitting up against some boxes. Yeah. So I'm just gonna screw this on, and I'll be back. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I just got the whole thing screwed back together, and I was about to put a little cover plate on when I realized something. Switch is on this side. You know, this would be the way I hold it. Oh yeah, you know what I did wrong. I know you do. You said it before. I know you said it before. This needs to be on this side. Alright. So, guess who's unscrewing all the screws he just screwed back in? Me! Yay! Yeah. I'll be back. Just gotta wiggle it around. Gotta wiggle it. Oh, that was a lot easier than last time. Alright, I've got it back on the right side. Got the guard on. I'm hoping this works. Honestly, I'd be really mad if it doesn't, because, well, I mean, actually, probably wouldn't be that mad. I barely touched the inside. Extension cord is not plugged in. I'm just going to take it straight to the outlet, just in case. Hold on a moment. I'll be back. Get into the outlet here. Happy it didn't shock me, so that's always a good thing. And, oh, that box right there. That's it. Voted 76. Wow. Over a little bit. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Yes. All right. That's probably oh crap. That was a stupid idea now, wasn't it? That better? Yeah, it's only got a little corner. That works. Okay. I guess let's plug the extension cord back in. And let's get to it. Or not. Or not. Of course. Probably wasn't the grinder. Luckily, circuit breaker's right here. Lights back on. It's nice. Obviously you can tell sunlight's over there inside the garage. Oh. I'll be back. Again. Another major issue to deal with, of course. So yeah, I guess it might just be part 3 to my first video. Woohoo. Catch you guys next time. Stay hydrated. Yeah, it still doesn't work.